Here's one of my favorites. If you follow me on YouTube, you'll know that I've lovingly dubbed this one the Quailridge HGTV unit. Anyhow, it's a 2019 and it's actually known as a 39MLFD special. Special built. It's the ironstone siding with white trim and white corners. But the special part of it is it's got the shed interior. Msrp is almost the most expensive one on the lot, $69,414. So heading on inside, you'll notice it's got copper backsplash, copper sink, 5 stools for counter seating, black appliances. It's a double loft, and it does have the step down into the master bedroom, which gives the rear loft an extra foot of space. Check these mason jar lights out. They go with the barn theme or the shed theme, if you care to say that. You can close this off and be a den, or you can open it up and have it open. You got a sleeper sofa, nice entertainment center, real stone on the fireplace. It looks really cool. Some more mason jar lights. Pretty cool fixtures in here. I like that feature wall. You got a stone chimney. Anyhow, the copper sink and backsplash is pretty neat stuff. Again, you're not going to see much in the bathroom. That's normal. I should carry around the light with me. But it's got a nice big shower with the low threshold. I'll just kind of poke the camera in there. There you go. Close the door on that. There was a linen closet in there too. Master bedroom's kind of neat. You got these barn themed doors. I don't know if you can see that or not. Got a feature wall in the master bedroom. There you can see the doors real good. That's the signature Quailridge his and hers wardrobe. So heading up the stairs, like I say, there's one step down into the master bedroom. So the second loft is a foot taller than the first. So this one has the optional helper AC. It's got a nice big closet here. Small entertainment center. And then over here, we have the other loft. It's about a queen size loft, give or take. I'll go ahead and crawl up here so you can get an overlook of the rest of the trailer. There you have it. The 2019 Quailridge, what I call the HGTV unit. Okay, I'm going to head outside. I think we'll take one last look at the Msrp, the $69,000, and go look at a different trailer. Hope you enjoyed my tour. House type rear entry door. Got a pretty good sized pantry here with adjustable shelving. Can you see all that? Oh yeah. Okay. Self-closing hinges. Got lots and lots of little nooks and crannies to store stuff in. Adjustable shelving. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Okay. Well, if you got any more questions, give Kelly a shout. I'm Kelly, and my phone number is 815-849-9089. Thanks.